Hello everyone, I'm Reed Loveland and welcome to Week 2's video submission. For my technology, I selected the social platform Twitter. Twitter is built to allow communications between users in 140 character entries or tweets. It is defined as a microblogging platform because users share their data, but it has to be within the character limit. But by using short posts, they are quick to be created and quick to be read, so data and thoughts are easily shared. Twitter began in 2006 at a time when new types of social media sites were starting to appear. Twitter grew out of social media places such as Flickster and Friendstalker. Companies were creating new ways for users to stay in contact and share information with friends and family. Twitter limited its posts to 140 characters because, at the time, SMS messages, those are text messages on cell phones, were limited to only 160 characters. Twitter wanted to allow space for the username, so decided on the 140 character limit. As the character limit began to frustrate users over the years, sites such as Bitly were created that greatly shorten web URL addresses so they don't take up a majority of the message character count when a user wishes to share a web page. In Chapter 8 of our textbook, the social construction of technology was discussed, and how the use of technology by society can send a tech advancement off in different directions of development, depending on how it is used by those different groups. Twitter is used by different social groups. One is in the social setting. Friends, relatives, or interested parties comment on daily news, information, and commentary as soon as it is read. A tweet can be directed at a specific person or a group, and with the inclusion of hashtags, those following the hashtag keyword will also see the tweet. The other social group Twitter works well with are people wishing to get emergency and important information out to the world. Information can be spread at a much faster rate through Twitter than through a web page posting or television announcement. Not to say these means of spreading information are obsolete, only slower. As the information is released, it is spread by other Twitter members who will use Twitter to move it on or post it on other sites such as blogs, news sites, or Facebook. This is similar to the old commercial where the woman says she tried this new shampoo and loved it so much that I told 2 friends, and they told 2 friends, and so on, and so on, as the TV screen begins to populate with multiple pictures of the woman. The word will spread. Natural and man-made disasters are brought to public attention quickly, and Twitter has also been used to get information out to loved ones searching for survivors, or survivors trying to get word to relatives that they are okay. Why Twitter works so well in this instance is because, at its simplest operation, a 140 character text message is all that is being sent. People in an emergency may not be near a computer or even have power to run one, but their cell phones simply need a carrier signal and the power of the phone itself. Twitter affects social relationships by encouraging the sharing of thoughts and news among other people. Users can contact other users directly, but can also expand the number of people they can reach to a global scale simply by using hashtags on their messages. Hashtags are simply words or phrases at the end of a tweet preceded by the hashtag or pound symbol. The hashtag is simply a way to advertise what their tweet is about. Other Twitter users can monitor hashtags that are of interest to them and read those tweets first. Someone waiting for their train or for food service at a restaurant can get news and information just as fast as a person surfing the web on their PC at home. Once that information is received, the next user can forward it on if they feel it is important, and they may use other social media applications to help pass it on to others who prefer different social media platforms. Except for some of the poorest sections of the world, information can now easily reach people in all corners of the globe. But an issue that has arisen on Twitter is overcrowding. Some people are getting frustrated with Twitter because there are so many tweets being sent, an estimated 500 million per day, that they have grown tired of sifting through tons of messages, many that are spam or have nothing to do with a hashtag or conversation. How does someone separate the wheat from the chaff without wasting hours going through messages? The effects of overcrowding may soon force users to abandon tweeting and move to a new social media platform. Only time will tell how Twitter might change to combat this overcrowding, or when a new company will resolve this problem by making a platform that is similar but not affected by the same issues as Twitter is. For now, people may begin to ignore messages that are meant for them or simply overlook something important because of too many messages to wade through. Or people may even opt to go back to older methods such as emailing or calling someone on the phone to give out information. They are sure to reach the person they want, but the speed at which important information is sent could greatly be reduced.